Good day, everyone, and welcome to Writing Workshop for Wednesday, December 16th, 2020. The materials that you will need for this lesson are your pencil, your writing journal, and your anchor chart you've already been working on and brainstorming to build and add ideas. If you don't have these, go ahead and pause the video to collect them, then come back and press play. Okay, let's review our objectives for this lesson. I will explain how writing can be impactful by introducing a mentor text. We will brainstorm ideas for persuasive topics. You will determine the audience and delivery of your persuasive ideas after listing your issues. Remember, we've been brainstorming ideas for future pieces of writing that we can create. The past few days, you've listed 6 to 10 different issues that you would like to see change in. You've determined that in order to make those changes, you would need to write to a specific audience that can make those changes happen. These are the people that you are needing to persuade. Then you determined how you would deliver your opinion or persuasion. I want you to look at this mentor text that I have provided for you. It's called Testing, Testing. Listen along as I read and put yourself in the writer's shoes. What change is the writer trying to make happen in the world? Or what change does the writer support? Also, who is the main audience that the writer is trying to reach? Take notes on this as you're listening to this mentor text. Testing, testing. Paige Donahue is scared and a bit excited as she waits for April to arrive. That's when she and all the other third graders in Texas will take their first special reading and math tests. I don't skip any school because I might miss test practice, says Paige. Soon, every third grader in the U.S. will face such tests. So will older kids. President Bush signed the No Child Left Behind Act this month. By 2005, kids in grades 3 through 8 will be taking reading and math tests every year. Each state will decide what students need to learn to pass the tests. Why more tests? Fans of the new law believe testing is the way to see how well kids and schools are doing. The law gives more money and help to schools in poorer areas. Some people worry that the teachers will spend too much time preparing the kids for tests, leaving less time for other subjects. Last year, Tessa Wooden of Venice, California, and her second grade classmates had to practice for their test during gym. State test will be an active life for kids, so check out the tips below. Keep calm, advises James Terrell, 9. Just try the best you can. By Elizabeth Cyrus. Did you notice the writer's opinion and what they were trying to notice to make change happen in the world? Who is the audience that the writer is trying to reach? What opinion might the writer have about testing? You can use mentor texts like these, opinionated, persuasive writings, in order to inspire you for your own topics. Now that you've heard and seen an example of a persuasive, jot down any notes or connections that you might have made to your own writing while reading. Pause now to do this. Okay, students. Yesterday you came up with 3 to 5 more ideas. So in all, you have 6 to 10 ideas for issues or topics that you could write about. Remember, whenever you create your chart and you add to your chart, you're going to want to list your issues in the first column. These are the things that you want to have changed. And your audience in this second column. And then the delivery method in the third. Your issue is the change that you want to happen or the problem that you want changed. Your audience are the people or groups of people that can make this change happen. And your delivery method is how you will deliver your opinion to your audience. You're going to add 3 to 5 more issues to your anchor chart today on your own. You're also going to determine audience for each of the new issues you listed. Decide on the delivery methods that would work for each issue and add those to the delivery column. Complete 3 to 5 more entries onto your chart, and then you're going to send a picture into your teacher.